Hello and welcome to softexpert. If you want to get Elementor's loop builder and the free version of Elementor, this video is for you. As you know, Elementor Pro has a feature called Loop Builder which helps you design custom layouts for things like blog posts or products. It is used for showing dynamic content in a grid or sliders. But if you are using the free version of Elementor and want to get a similar element, don't worry, you can still build stylish loop grids or slider using Royal Elementor Addons. And if you are not new to this channel, you may know that I have a couple of videos about this plugin already because this is a very powerful plugin and work as a free alternative to Elementor Pro. There is a link in the description, so if you go there, you will see Loop Grid Carousel Slider. This is a similar alternative to what we have in Elementor Pro. Let's open this. And let me give you a quick idea of what we are going to cover in this video. So as mentioned earlier, we use Loop Builder to create a product grid, a portfolio grid or a blog post grid. And all those elements are available in this plugin for free. So first we have WooCommerce grid, and let's open up any of these WooCommerce grid. Then we have portfolio grid. Let me show you any of these as well. Magazine. So let's open up any of these. Gallery is also similar to magazine. Then blog post grid, let's go with this one. And also we have custom post types, and let's open up this one. Let me show you them quickly just to give you the idea, and then we will see how we can install and use this plugin. So first we have WooCommerce grid. You can display your products in this format. This will be the featured image. We have reviews, likes, the product title and the price. We have different looks available for this as well. Okay, we also have a category filter here. Okay, so this is for WooCommerce products. Then we have a portfolio grid. Obviously this will be linked to the single page. We have the filter as well. Then we have magazines. This is a slider, by the way. Then we have blog post grid. So you can display your blog posts in this format or any other. We have the title, featured image, then categories, excerpt and read more. It also has this filter and the incoming animations. And last but not the least, we have custom posts. So if you want to display your projects, portfolios or real estate properties, you can have custom posts and you can display them in this format using Royal Elementor Addons. Now let's see how we can download and use this plugin. So again, the link will be given in the description. By the way, there is my affiliate link, and here you can scroll down. You can learn more about this plugin, the widgets and also the ready-made templates, and these are the pricing. Don't worry, we don't have to buy the pro version. We will only be using the free version in this video. So let's scroll down and click download free, and it will give us a zip file like this one. This is the Royal Elementor Addons plugin that we can upload to our WordPress. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now before using this plugin, make sure to have some posts and products in your dashboard. So these are some dummy posts, and also we have some dummy products that you can see here. So we will be displaying these products and the posts using free Elementor and by using Royal Elementor Addons. I already have uploaded the plugin. You can just go to plugins, add new and click upload plugin, then choose file and select the plugin and open it and install now. Okay, and once you install the plugin, you will see a new tab here. Just go there where you will find all the elements available in this plugin. Now in this particular video, we are dealing with the loop builder. So for that, we will be using post grid, carousel, WooCommerce product grid, image grid and magazine. So just make sure these are enabled, and then you can edit any page with Elementor. Let me visit this website to show you a template from this Royal Elementor Addons. Okay, you can see this is a free template available in this plugin that I have just imported, and you can create a website like this using this plugin as well. We have couple of elements and so on. So as I said, you can edit any page and you can display post, products and a loop. Let's edit this home page. I'll go here and click edit with Elementor, and let's scroll down, and here I have this section for the post loop. Okay, this is just a title, and now to add a loop here, just go here and search for loop. You will find post and product loop. Okay, first let's use the post loop. I'll just use it, and instantly this will get all my posts and will display it in the form of a grid. Okay, now you can further customize it by going to style and changing the element style like the colors. the background color, the read more, and so on. This video is not for the styling. I'll just show you quickly that how you can style it. Okay, first let's change the background color here. As I said, you can further customize it. So you can decide a source for it. You can display post, pages, current query, and so on. Then you can choose a selection either to be dynamic, or you can choose manual, order by authors, and all these. If you want to display a specific category, you can put that category here, and so on. You can have different layouts, so you can either keep this as a grid, list, or a carousel. This is a list, and we have slider or carousel. Okay, let's switch back to grid and scroll down. You can do further settings. You can show filter, pagination, and all these. Then under elements, you can hide and show different elements like the title, the featured image, comments, excerpt, read more, and so on. Then you can customize the media overlay, the image effects, the light box, the filter, pagination, and all these. I am not going in much detail. I'll just go to style to give this some proper padding, the background color. Okay, so and in the same way you can customize the grid media, which is the image, the title. Let's give it another color. Then same goes for the content, the excerpt, and read more. Okay, so in this way you can display your blog posts in a loop. This is by using free Elementor. It also has some predefined style, so you can just click on it. You can use any of these based on your need. Okay, let's say this one, just click insert. So again, the similar posts in this format. So in this way you can display your posts. Same goes for the products. Let's scroll down. Again, I'll click on this plus. We'll search for grid or loop, and we have this grid slider carousel. Let's bring it over here, and in the same way we can further customize the styles. This time let's keep the black background and let's change its colors. Okay, and we can also change the colors for the add to cart, and that's it. So this was a loop builder from Elementor Addons, which is available for free Elementor. So if you need a free alternative to the loop builder, you can use Elementor Addons. The plugin link will be given in the video description. And for more such videos, you can just follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor, and WooCommerce. And still, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.